Alright, love, so I'm just going to hop right on in with my traveling curly hair routine. So I'm just going to start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections, as y'all know I usually do. Now, starting with this first back section, I'm just going to take my water bottle and just lightly mist my hair just to get some moisture back into it. Then I'm just going to use my fingers to work that water all through my hair and separate that larger section into 2 smaller sections. And then I'm going to take my hair milk by Carol's Daughter and apply that to my hair, as well as my coconut oil just to seal in the moisture. And then I'm just going to comb my hair through with my wide tooth comb, and then go in with my curl maker by Camille Rose and apply that to my hair just to kind of give my curls a little pop. Take my Denman brush and comb that through my hair as well. I find that when I'm applying product, using the Denman brush really just defines my curls. And then I'm just going to do the same to the other small section, putting in the products, working it through with the wide tooth comb, using the Denman brush to really just define those curls. Lastly, I'm going to take some gel, and I'm using this Gel-ato by the Main Choice. It was on sale at Walmart, honey. And I'm just going to apply that to the entire section just to really kind of hold my curls and give them a little more definition. And then after I apply all of the gel to my hair, I'm going to go in with my Denman brush again and just brush through my hair to really just define those curls even more. And as you can see, just finishing with that gel and following up with the Denman brush really just gives my curl that little extra oomph. So I'm just going to do literally the exact same steps on the other 3 sections, and I will be back. Alright, now that I finished all of my sections, this is what I'm working with. My curls are pretty defined for the most part. So then I'm just going to go in, lay my edges down, boom, bam, pow. And then follow up with the soft bristle brush to just kind of brush my hair back. Usually I do a middle part, but this time I'm trying just kind of my hair to the back. And then I'm going to just tie my hair down with my satin scarf. And of course wrap my hair with a t-shirt and just leave my hair like this for the rest of the night or until I decide to take it down. So this is day 2 or 3 hair. My hair is full, it's big, it's voluminous, it's all that, honey. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl down below, and I'll holla at y'all later. Deuces.